Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on Facebook Messenger. If you want more privacy and don't want others to know when you have read their messages, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. And once you are here, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right. And once you are here, you have to simply scroll down and you will see an option of privacy and safety. Just tap on it. In the privacy and safety settings, simply scroll down and you will see an option that says read receipts in the what people see section. Once you find it, tap on it. If you don't want people to see when you have read their messages, simply toggle this off. And that's it. That's how you can turn off read receipts on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.